Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. This is Pooja Badkul here, and today I am here with the concluding part of lesson 12 of 7th class science, respiration in plants and animals. So till now you have received so many parts and the home assignments along with them. So after this part I'll be giving you a worksheet of the entire lesson, and then we'll proceed next. Before that I'll explain you something very important today. So, before starting the lesson, I'll discuss an important thing with you today. Do you remember what is the day today? Today is 13th April, and the picture being shown on the screen is of General Dyer. Do you remember now something? Yeah, he's the same person responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He is General Dyer. On 13th April 1919, this person ordered the ruthless killing of so many Indians who were gathered for a peaceful meeting in the Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, Punjab. In that incident, so many Indians were killed because the Britishers didn't want them to gather and do peacefully meetings. Many of the Indians jumped inside the well to save their life. The well was full with dead bodies that day. So it was a very ruthless killing, ruthless massacre in the history of Indian freedom struggle. And the bullets were fired, so many bullets were fired on armless Indians, and the imprints of bullets are till date on the walls of the Jallianwala Bagh. Whenever people visit, they find there are the holes of the bullets there. So this is what I wanted to remind you about the important day today. It's a very important day in Indian history, in Indian freedom struggle. And now next start with our topic. So our today's topic is respiration in plants, that is by means of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So respiration in plants take place by two methods. First is photosynthesis and second is the cellular respiration. So here we'll discuss the topics in detail. So as you are able to see on the screen, there are two partitions of the screen at present. On one side it's being shown photosynthesis, and on the other side it's being shown cellular respiration. Do you remember the word cellular respiration? Cellular respiration takes place in organisms. So yeah, I am explaining cellular respiration in context of plants because it's a very important concept. Just have a look. During daytime, in the presence of sunlight, plants perform photosynthesis and produce oxygen. But during night, the procedure reverses itself and plants perform cellular respiration. And in cellular respiration, oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released. So it's a very important concept in reference to plants, that plants behave like organisms during night. Let's see an important question in this respect. The question being shown on your screen asks, why are we asked not to sleep under a tree at night? So the answer is very clear, that at night plants produce carbon dioxide and it's unsafe for humans to sleep under a tree at night because they need oxygen and plants are releasing carbon dioxide. That's why we can't sleep under a tree at night. Now, coming to the next topic, gaseous exchange in plants. It happens by three means. One is stomata, other is lenticels, and the third one is root hairs. Yeah, there are three spaces from where gaseous exchange takes place in plants. Yeah. So plants don't have any specialized respiratory system. Each and every part of a plant is involved in the gaseous exchange. So if we take in context of leaves and young stems, so there is the presence of stomata in the leaves and young stems which help in the gaseous exchange from the atmosphere. Yeah, so let's see the picture of stomata. Yeah, here on the screen, I have shown you the picture of stomata. It's labeled very well. The dark green structures, they are called stomata. They have the capacity of opening and closing. So the stomata are the tiny pores, those are present on leaves and soft stem, and through these pores the gaseous exchange in them takes place. Now next is through lenticels. What are lenticels? See in the picture here. Lenticels you are able to see. Lenticels develop on woody stems, on the hard stems below the bark. below the bark of the stem. They develop and they are responsible for the gaseous exchange in hard and thick stems of plants. See, the lenticels are also available on the fruit on the pear. Pear also involves in the gaseous exchange. As I told you, plants don't have any specialized organ. So due to the absence of specialized respiratory organs, the individual organs respire themselves. Next is the root hairs. Root hairs obviously in roots. So as you're able to see on the screen, so many tiny hair-like structures are there on the roots, on the primary roots, on the secondary roots. So it's clear these hairs which are available on the roots, they help in the breathing of root. They help in the gases exchange for the roots. So we have discussed the three parts which help in the gaseous exchange of the plants. I hope the topic is very clear to you, and next you will be receiving the question answers and home assignment. Till then, have a look on the video, understand the concepts well, and take care of self. God bless you. Jai Hind.